Hi children, how are you? Hope all of you are doing good. Okay children, yesterday in previous class we learned A and E. Only three letters we learn. No, step by step how to write, what is the pronunciation and which words are coming with that word. Which words are coming from that letter. We learn this all. No, step by step we learn and we practiced. We are learning very slowly. No, A to aha only, very easy. If we know the numbers, if you know the numbers and ABCD, by doing that we can write anything. Understand children? Any curves, any moves, whatever it is coming, then you can write anything. Okay. What you have to do, you must have to take a pencil and rough book. How I am explaining, you must have to practice that well. Understand children? If you practice well, you can learn the letter very easily. What is the pronunciation of that letter? You can learn very easily. I will show one time. So, which letters and what is the word we learn? See, I am going to show. This is A. What is that? A. A say anar. Hindi pronunciation given and in English also it is given. The word is anar. A say anar. A say anar. Learning process is very easy. By seeing this textbook you can learn A say anar. And if you read the rhyme, with this also you can read very easily. See, A से अनार जो कोई खाए कभी न हो बीमार बने दमदार. No, next A से आम. See in this box. You are seeing in this box. No, A से आम. Picture given and the pronunciation given and what is saying in English also it is given. But it is not a meaning. This is the pronunciation in Hindi. Okay. A से आम. A से आम. A से आम फलों का है राजा, मीठा स्वाद रस से भरा होता. Okay. Next. Coming to next page. E. E से इमली. E से इमली. E से इमली. We can see the picture. And what is the pronunciation in Hindi and in English also we can see that. E से इमली. E से इमली होती बड़ी खट्टी, खाए इसे पप्पू, खाए इसे बबली. Okay, next letters. And an important thing also I told you that E. How much time, how many seconds we can say the pronunciation of this one, how many seconds we have to say these vowels. These vowels only, in Hindi vowels only we are learning, okay. E. Suppose A and E are the short vowels. For 1 second we can say A. Example, A and E. These two are short vowels. Okay, these two are short vowels. Okay, next long vowel is A. For 4 seconds you have to say that. A. Understand children? Then coming to next letter. See, A completed now. Then next one, E. E also a long vowel. For 4 seconds we have to say. These steps also very easy. If you know that, you can write that way, or otherwise I am showing step by step you can write like this. First practice in your rough book. Take out your rough book first. See this one. In lines, if you are writing in double rule or white book or whatever it is, no, first draw the line like this, small lines. Understand children? Then afterwards what you have to do, you have to practice yes. Are you seeing here? Yes. Understand? 4 times. Afterwards next circle. Yes is having circle. See here. Understand? If you practice this in your rough book, you can join this all. Understand? Now C. You know the C very well. Alphabet C. No? After learning all these letters, no? Step by step. After that we can join all these things. See? First small this one. Next yes. Don't start the S from here. Okay children, don't write like this. it will become Telugu letter ka. Okay, Telugu letter some much difference is there. No, talakattu is giving there, but here what you have to do? You have to write this as starting from here. You must have to without taking your pencil. See, when you write the line, small line, start from here only S. Okay, don't stop your pencil. Don't stop your pencil. Okay, what you have to do after writing that small circle, give the small circle and write like 9. Very easy. Okay, after that give the header there. It will become E. Okay, what is that? First one, we can see E there. Then next you can join C here. It will become E. What is the letter? E. What is the pronunciation? E. Understand? How many letters we learn? A, E, E. 4 letters. This is a long vowel. I told you this is a long vowel. For 4 seconds you have to say. Compulsory. E. For 4 seconds you have to say. I'm not saying that to say for so many seconds. E. Understand, children? We are learning the letters now. That's why you must have to say this pronunciation up to 4 seconds. E. Understand, children? After writing that, this is one process we learn. If you practice this way, you can learn one. Then next step, and next one I told you that. See, next one I am going to explain. How to write here? First one no. Then next step, one with S. Understand, children? Next, another one, S after circle. Then next, if you practice this way also, it will come. See, then the next one, complete the header. It will become E. Okay. Then join C here. E. What is the letter? E. Before this we can see E here. Completed. E completed. No. We are seeing E letter here. After that, E is there. If you learn this very clearly, you can practice this one. After that, you can write E. You must have to give a hook for that one. We won't have to say C, you have to write, but we have to say a hook. Okay, a hook we have to give on the head of E. On the head of E. In Telugu letter also, ka letter it is there. No, talakattu we are saying no. We have to say here E. On the head of E, we are giving a small hook. Okay, children? E say eek. E say eek. E say eek. E say eek. Eek means sugar cane. Eek means sugar cane. See, eek means sugar cane. I will show. See, page number 5 it is there, no? E. E. Are you seeing here? We can see the pronunciation in box also. By seeing this picture, by reading this pronunciation in Hindi and in English also, we can identify very easily. E say eek. E say eek. E say eek. इससे लो तुम अच्छी सीख. E say eek. A small rhyme is there. A small means in 2 letter line is there. E say eek. इससे लो तुम अच्छी सीख. Okay. Then next. How many letters we learn, children? Whatever I am showing here, you have to practice in your rough book. Okay. Open your book and write along with me. By reading and writing, you can learn anything. Understand, children? What you have to do? You must have to practice very well first. Here, how many times I am showing, you have to practice that many times in your rough book. Okay, children? Then only you can learn. Okay, you can get a good letter. Understand? Then after that, E. Next letter is U. U. Letter U. Very easy. Very easy. We can write 3 here. You must have to practice first. A good letter, how you have to write. Now itself, if you write properly, now you learn very neatly then you can write you can write in very good handwriting for essay 1 exam. Understand children? We have the letters R to Ahano. You have to write that all the letters. If you learn by seeing this video, then only you can write anything. Okay children? You can score more marks. Okay, first what you have to do, you have to learn the small semicircles. First 3 times you can write. By seeing this video, you can write 3 times. Small semicircle. In A also it is given, no, same like that. Understand children? Next. After that, what you have to learn? Next, big semicircle. You can learn the big semicircle. See? Or otherwise, small after big. Okay. You can practice this one 3 times or 4 times. Okay. After that, what we have to do, you can write very easily. First small semicircle, next big one. You have to give a small header to that one. Understand? Use ullu. Use ullu. Okay? Use ullu. Use ullu. Use ullu. Use ullu means owl. A bird. Owl. A bird it is. Okay. See? Open your textbook. You can see this bird. Page number 6. See? Use ullu. Use ullu. Owl. Use ullu बड़ी है इसकी आंखें. दिन में सोता रात को है झांके. Understand? A small rhyme is given. Use ullu. U letter is also showing here, and next in box also what is the pronunciation with the ullu. See, and ullu in English also it is given in the box. It is highlighting here by showing what is the pronunciation and how to write the letter and where to start and how to end the letter also it is given. Okay, I shown no this all. You must have to practice in your rough book children. By seeing this all, you have to practice in your rough book and send it to your subject teacher. Okay. ऊ से उल्लू बड़ी है इसकी आंखें, दिन में सोता रात को है झांके. Understand? ऊ से उल्लू. उल्लू is a bird. Okay. उल्लू is a bird. इसकी आंखें बड़ी बड़ी हैं. Very big eyes are there. If anybody having a big eyes, they will say उल्लू की आंखें, no, that type. Okay, दिन में सोता. In day it is sleeping and रात को है झांके. It will wake up in night time only. It won't sleep in night time. It sleeps at daytime only. Okay children? उसे उल्लू बड़ी है इसकी आंखें, दिन में सोता रात को है झांके. Now see here. How many letters we learn from first video to how many letters we learn and what is the pronunciation of that? I am going to explain. See, first first next okay, this is short vowel and this is long vowel. Okay, next e, next e, but don't read like that. Okay, don't read like that. You have to practice like this and you must have to read the pronunciation by seeing this video. Understand children? Read and practice. And next oo. Okay, here how many letters with the short vowel? A, see, A, E, U. These three are short vowels. Okay, short vowel means for 1 second you have to say. For 1 second. For 1 second you have to pronounce A, E, U. Okay, A, E, U. Next, what are the long vowels? We did not finish all the vowels. Okay, in Hindi we did not finish it. Okay. Okay, these two are long vowels. We learn now 5 letters. From this all videos we learn 5 letters. Okay, practice this all A and E. These two are long vowels. Okay, these two are long vowels. Hasva swar and Dirgha swar. These long vowels you have to say up to 4 seconds. A, E. Okay, in that pronunciation also we can see. In words also we can see that sound. Understand, children? Now listen here. A, E, U. These three are short vowels. A, E, U. These three are short vowels for 1 second. A, E, U. Okay. Next, A and E are the long vowels. For 4 seconds you have to say. Okay. In the textbook given, no, A say. I will explain. See. Read these letters and 5 times you have to practice. Okay. Read and practice both. A, E, sorry, A, E, U. Okay. A, E, U. Okay. Here see. Another step means by writing, by seeing these words also we can identify the letters. Okay. A से अनार, A से अनार, A से आम, A से आम, A से अनार, A से आम, E से इमली, ई से इमली, ई से ई से ईख, ऊ से उल्लू, उसे उल्लू, आ से अनार, आ से आम, ई से इमली, ई से ईख, उ से उल्लू. You can read this like a rhyme also. आ से अनार, आ से आम, ई से इमली, ई से ईख, उ से उल्लू. Like this you can read this all the letters like a rhyme also. Okay, after reading this all, no, you have to practice 5 times. Okay, if you are not understanding anything, you have to see this video again and again and practice very well in your rough book, children. Practice very well in your rough book with pronunciation. Understand how many seconds each letter you have to pronounce, how many seconds you have to say, what are the long and short vowels I explained. Okay, if we complete vowels, all vowels if we finish, then only I will explain all how many long and short vowels are there. After completing of all A to AHA letters, then I will explain to you. Okay, children? Up to that time, what you have to do, you must have to learn this all the letters properly. Okay? You have to practice that all in your rough book. See, A say anar in Hindi and in English. Both pronunciation are given. Picture, you can see the picture. It is highlighting here. See, A letter also highlighting here. See, A picture is also there. Hindi pronunciation and English pronunciation also. There is a small rhyme also there. You have to see this picture and open your textbook. You can read by seeing this letter also. Okay, children? A say anar. A say आम. नेक्स्ट ई से इमली, ई से इमली, ई से ईख, ई से ईख, ई से इमली, ई से ईख. The next one, ऊ से U say ullu. U say ullu. A small rhyme also there. Okay. See this all the letters and see this video properly, carefully, and practice in your rough book. And what your subject teacher is saying, listen to her, and what she is giving the work, you must have to write and post to your subject teacher. Understand, children? When we are going to meet in next class, okay, up to that time, bye.